body. I'm eating the girls up, the girls and the guys up. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, 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 good morning. Y'all, it's a new day. Thank you, Jesus, for waking us up this morning and starting us on our way. Okay, y'all, I'm in such a good, happy, jolly mood. So today is Saturday, August 6th, okay? And it's kind of like a national holiday, just a little bit. It's my auntie birthday. So, y'all, it's going down. It's going down around town. Okay, y'all, I'm so silly. I'm so bugged out. It's my auntie party, okay? And if y'all ain't never been to a New Orleans party, then what y'all doing? Cause ain't no party like a New Orleans party, okay? So it's time for her niece to come through. It's time for her niece to come through, come through. I'm about to eat the girls up and leave no crumbs, not one. Okay? So this video is gonna be like a get ready with me and get ready with me plus the party vlog, and it's lit. It's lit. Catch the drip. Hey, it's lit. You're about to catch all these drips, all these looks, okay? So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and notification bell, because these videos coming back to back. Period. Yo, I have a lot of running to do. I go to the nail shop and get my eyebrows done. I have to go get my makeup done. And I have a few errands to run. So y'all just gonna run some errands with me. So I'm about to go get ready and be back. Yo, my daddy here. You ready for the party?
Yes.
It's going down, y'all, by my sister. And then
Be lit, gonna be bit.
Ready
for the party, ready for the party.
Oh, yo, look how Kylie looking at my daddy.
Kylie.
Let me see, mama. What? But yeah, I'm gonna come back. Yo, so I had to come get me a snowball. Like, I was tweaking for a snowball, plus I had to make change. So I got a cherry. I got a cherry snowball and a pickle. And y'all, if I ain't put y'all on to nothing, know this: a cherry snowball and a pickle will change your life. So normally I'll cut it up, go home, cut it up, but I'm just about to bite it. And take the snowball. It's so good. So I'm about to go home, take a bath and all that, and get ready to go to my makeup appointment. So I'ma holler at y'all when I'm all fresh and so clean.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I go inside. All the niggas.
Y'all, when my girl did a fire beat down, like, I'm a bad bitch. Oh, period. Okay? I'm coming through so hard tonight. Like, my girl did her big one. So now, what time it is? It's 5:03. I gotta go home. I took my bath already. Iron my dress. And that's that, y'all. About to drop it like a thotty. Drop it like a thotty. Ooh, drop it like a thotty in my Beyonce voice, okay? My mood on church, girl. My mood giving freakum dress tonight. Baby, it's up. It's up and it's stuck. I'm coming back.
Acting like me, was it more than a summer fling? I said farewell, you took it well. I miss, I won't cry, but spill milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another vow, give me another hour.
Alright, y'all. So it's like 6:50-ish, and it's time for me to get dressed, y'all. It's time for me to get. I'm doing a TikTok vlog too, y'all. So y'all gonna have to. Alright. So this is the dress. Oh, it's mesh. I think I got it from Pretty Little Thing or Fashion Nova. I'm not sure. Wait, I can look at the tag. Oh, Fashion Nova. It's like I got this like 2 years ago, y'all, around the pandemic. Ooh, Alexa Pray Freak, I'm Dressed by Beyonce. Ooh, ooh. So y'all, this is the dress. I'm about to put the dress on, and I want to wear my pink heels, but then I kind of want my black strap heels. Then I kind of want my other black heels that I wore to the Joe concert. I don't know. I'm about to get dressed, you know, lotion up my body, and I'm gonna be back. Wow, wow. Yo, I'm dressed. Look at my. Ooh, 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 ooh. Baby, this body. I'm eating the girls up, the girls and the guys up. I'm eating them, no crumbs. Period. I love it. I just gotta finish my hair, and that's gonna be that. Let me TikTok, y'all. Let me TikTok, vlog. Yeah, I'm so extra. Like, why I gotta get extra? This is the scent Burberry Her. If you not sipping on, sipping. Listen to me. Just ready to drink. If y'all ain't if y'all not, y'all scent don't consist of Burberry Her, then what y'all doing? Bad bitch scent. And what I like about this, it really lasts. Like, it lasts all day. So now I have to go for my hair again, y'all, because cutting up just a little bit. But what purse should I wear? Like, I don't know. I kind of want to wear my Telfar, my gold Telfar. I don't know. Or my all black purse. Cause you know what Beyonce said about Telfar in her new song, baby. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wear my gold Telfar with my strapless shoe. Yeah, I'm just put my shoes on with my Telfar. When I'm done, I'm gonna come back. Alright, yeah, my hair is going back. Give me by. I gotta practice how I'm gonna pose for my pictures. So I put my shoes on. I gotta make my TikTok. Stay tuned for my TikTok. Bad bitch, y'all bitches ain't. Period. Madam, next let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna put my shoes on. But guys, to know I got my slippers, cause who feet about to be hurtful? Yeah, so I'm all dressed. Y'all look at my mama. Ooh, come on, back. Ooh, look, her butterfly tattoo. I don't know if y'all can see. Hold on, listen. Her butterfly tattoo matches my butterfly necklace. Well, it's really her butterfly necklace, but whatever. Now I'm waiting on my sister, and we're gonna be going.
Yeah, and I'm like, yeah, everybody, I can't trust nobody. Don't want me to no party, bitch. I gave my heart to this man. So, how I get that? natural disasters. My baby has been around for me.
Yo, the party was lit. Okay, the party was lit. Hey, cousin. Wait, it's okay. Yo, look at one of my favorite cousins.
What did you say?
I'm your favorite cousin today.
What did you say?
Nigga, you don't hit me up, bro.
The last time I talked to you when you had your baby.
But she sent me that picture too.
Exactly. He let his people know when he had his baby. Are we about to roll?
No.
Then go to birth.
You know what birth is in?
We about to go.
Person up.
You vlogging?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Wait, where you at? We just, you know, on that main street where everybody walk at.
So we go to birth. We go to birth. We made it.
2 streets down.
Man took a shot.
The after party.
Period. The after party of the party. Okay, of the party. We about to roll. Yo, it's currently 3:18. For 3:19. And I'm just getting inside. Yo, I have to use a flashlight because the light. But we tried to go in a club and I don't know why they was so hard up. But they was talking about some 28 plus. It was a big old thing. Most of my cousins, me and my cousins are 21, between 21 and 27. They wasn't having it, wasn't letting us in the club, so we all just wound up going home. But I posted a picture on Instagram. I need y'all to go like that, okay? I need y'all to go like it because the picture is so bad. Like, it's really giving baddie. But the party was everything. Like, I had fun. I vlogged what I could, of course, because the music and copyright issues and stuff like that. But it was amazing. Like, my auntie did the most. Got to know she changed twice. Okay, Miss Extra, she went in, okay, for her birthday. The vibe was nice. The food was good, you know, and just seeing my cousins, like, knowing that we don't see each other as often as we should, but now we're all grown. So even though we live far, like, we could, you know, make plans to see each other, travel and stuff like that. So I took a bath. I'm about to wash my face, and I'm in a bed. I'm watching one of my favorite shows, House of Pain. I love it. And yo, let me just say this is a whole beat. Like, I didn't sweat it so much. The party was crowded, so I didn't sweat it so much, and my makeup is still look like I just got it done. But I'm about to wash it and stuff like that and go to bed. So that concludes this Get Ready With Me video. By the time y'all see this, my TikTok with my Get Ready With Me also might be up. So make sure y'all follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, okay? Thank y'all so much for watching. If y'all haven't watched my previous videos, go watch them. Alright, so stay tuned for the next video. Bye.